Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20A, question number 14, right? Class 9. In triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degrees, side AB is x centimeter, AC is x plus 5 centimeter, and area is 150 centimeter squares. We need to find the sides of the triangle. So we know that it is a right angle triangle. So let's draw the right angle triangle first. A is 90. So this is 90. This is B and this is C. AB is X and AC is X plus 5. Now we know what is given is the area. So area of a right angle triangle is half base into height. Now we know the base is X and the height is X plus 5. So instead of area we will write 150 and here we will write half base is x into x plus 5. Now 2 goes that side, it becomes 300, 150 into 2 and x gets multiplied with x and x plus 5. This becomes x square plus 5x, right? Now the x has the highest power of square, that means it turns out to be a quadratic equation. So this will become x square plus 5x. 300 goes to the other side, becomes minus 300 is equal to 0. Now how do we solve the quadratic equation? We will split the middle term, that is 5x, in such a way that when you multiply those two terms, it should come out as minus 300, as the coefficient of x square is 1. So it should come out as minus 300. So we know that when we multiply 20 into 15, what we get is 300. Fine. And plus 20 minus 15 will become plus 5, right? So that means 5x will become plus 20x and minus 15x, and x square will be written as it is and minus 300 as it is equal to 0. Now we will solve these two and these two together. That means x will become common in x square plus 20x. What I am left in this place, x plus 20, and here what I will take common, I'll take minus 15 common between these two terms, between minus 15x and minus 300. In the first term x is common, minus will become plus, because minus I have taken out, so I have to make it minus, so I'll take a plus inside, and this will become 15 into 2, 30, and a 0 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms, in this term and this term, x plus 20 is common, that will come out. What I am left in the first term, x minus this minus, and 15 is equal to 0. So either x plus 20 is 0, then x is minus 20, and if x minus 15 is 0, then x is 15. So we got two values of x, that is minus 20 and 15. As minus 20 it cannot be because it is the side and side can't be negative, therefore x is 15. So what will be the base? The base is x, will become 15 centimeter, and height is 15 plus 5, x plus 5 it was, x plus 5, that is 15 plus 5, that is 20 centimeter. Fine. So now we have got the base, we have got the height, we'll get the hypotenuse over here. We can see here CB is the hypotenuse. So what is BC? CB or BC? BC square is AB square plus AC square, that is 15 square plus 20 square. BC square is 15 square is 225, 20 square is 400, which becomes 625. So what is BC? BC is square root of 625. So BC is 625 square root turns out to be 25 centimeter. Fine. So we got the sides as, the sides are 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 25 centimeter.